Yeah. Okay, action.
Okay, hello. This is Veda's laptop. It has a very pretty color when you turn it on. If it will do it.
Woo!
Because she somehow managed to break the screen.
I think the battery's dead.
Oh well.
Okay.
But, me being a geek, I know how to replace screens. So,
Applaud.
woo! The screen is from Screen Surgeons, one of the companies I like to get screens from. Yeah, that looks like it fits perfectly.
Yay!
It's pretty.
It's shiny.
So, in order to get this cover off,
This is going on YouTube.
first, what is on me?
Is it a bug?
No, I think it's lint.
Oh.
You go around, you just go ahead and put your fingers in between the screen and the little plastic cover, and just move your fingers up and across.
When he was taking it off, I thought he was breaking it. I was like, no.
And down. The bottom is a little trickier because it's in a little tighter. Come on. There it goes. So, now we have that taken care of. Now we have a little screwdriver.
Itty bitty.
We're going to go ahead and take a lot of screws out.
See how tiny they are?
Yep.
Don't lose them.
Yeah, put it back. No, back.
Put it back.
Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Alright.
And just for the record, you were actually very fascinated and scared I was breaking it.
Yeah. I know.
Which one you were really experiencing at the time, I don't think any of us know.
Should be. Look out. I'm trying to film.
Don't take them.
I'm not.
Your head is in the way, Shepard. I'm trying to see. Okay.
Okay, so those screws are out.
Yay!
What we're going to do, we're going to flip it over,
Uh-huh.
and we're going to unplug the part that actually attaches the computer to the screen.
Which is that...
Right here.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I smell ranch.
Yeah, we were kind of hungry.
It smells good.
It was. So we're going to simply, if it wants to,
Don't you just like pop it out?
oh, plastic tape, of course.
Oh.
Gotta love it.
Okay, so I'm just curious. Have you ever actually broken something that you were supposed to fix at work?
A few times, but then I managed to fix it.
I do. I didn't know that.
And for some reason, I'm actually worried about breaking the broken screen.
Please don't.
There we
Alright,
go.
there.
So then on the screen, you see it actually has its own frame built onto it.
Yep.
So we have to remove the frame. Now
Okay.
where did that screwdriver go?
I learn new things every day.
While I'm saying this, I would mention to whoever watches this, Dells are pretty good laptops, except for the fact that the case for the screen, or whatever, the screen holder, is pretty flimsy, so mostly it's technically not Veda's fault for the screen breaking. I love that face.
Yeah. Interesting. Well, you know what? This might come in handy someday if I'm all by myself and I break a laptop screen. I can
Again?
say, you know what? I can watch this video and
Unless it's a different laptop. Ooh.
yeah, then I'd probably take it back to you.
Yay. Because I'm that awesome.
Oh, okay.
If you hear whispering in the background, it's Kayla, who can't speak.
Your head is in the way again. Sheppy, maybe you can learn the stuff and then you can fix my future broken laptops. Which there will be probably. This is the second laptop I've broken. Nice. Yeah. I know.
Crap. Where did it go? Excuse me?
Intermission. Look at the pretty flowers.
What I just did is a mom.
That's so sad.
I thought that was a clump, but it's a mom.
Excuse me, I need to look for the screw. Hey, I gotta find the screw, okay, buddy?
Oh, look. See?
What's that?
A moth.
Ooh, it's a bog. Gah. No, I don't want it on me.
There it is.
Okay. Short break.
Found it.
Okay. You found the screw.
Wait, did you stop or no?
No. Welcome back to Tech Time with Austin.
Dead screen, it's out.
Yay!
So the next step is the screen. It's the new screen.
Mm-hmm.
It feels a lot more sturdy than this one did. That one did.
Good.
That Kayla's holding. Why are you holding it? You can get lead poisoning, you know.
From touching it?
Wait, no, mercury poisoning.
From touching it?
If it's cracked, yes.
Oh, darn it. I was gonna say we could, like, shatter it and play with it, but no. Alright, so.
So let's go ahead and put these brackets back on. Oops.
Your head is in the way. Sheppy,
There, that's
I keep
better.
seeing your nose pop in the picture. Hi. No, stop. Okay, so then you put those back on.
Yep.
This is like your own instructional video. Stop it! Stop. That's what it looks like without a screen. It's kind of weird.
It's pretty cool looking, though, you have to admit.
Yeah.
It's shiny.
It is. I was just gonna say that. You stole that from me.
I read your mind again.
I know.
Okay.
Alright. No, back up, back up, back up. Not you. No, your nose is in the way.
So I have that side.
Okay.
Now let's go ahead and get this side on. Whoops. Let's go like this.
You know, this might make your throat worse.
With all the sugar. Okay. Two
Look,
more
you might
screws
think-
and we can power it on and see if it works. Crap, not again.
It's wet.
Ew. Don't do that.
There it is. Ugh. You gotta love when you drop a very small screw.
Dry.
I've done that before. Don't do that.
Wet.
Don't do that, okay?
I'm getting distracted. We did buy that. I just realized it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sorry. I'm fine.
I don't even know what we're talking about.
Me neither.
Okay.
Alright, then you connect this little sticker thingy to the screen and then you pop it back up and put the screws back in the end, right?
Hopefully, that's the end. Because every now and then screens do not like. Come on. It's almost in. Let me just scoot this a little closer.
Oh. How are you?
There we
You
go.
got like a red mustache.
Now before we put all the other screws back
Okay.
in it, we're going to power it on real quick.
Make sure it works. Stop.
Yep.
Yay! It's so shiny! Except it's dead.
Battery is low. Hit F1 to continue. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off,
Okay.
put the screws back in, and pop the cover back on.
Woo! Yay!
And then Veda can go get on Skype with all three of us tonight.
Yay.
Yep, and you can have the
Gotta get that face.
Hi.
Excuse me. Gotta get these.
I have like a long list of things to do after I got that fixed.
Such as?
Such as download like 12 songs, such as edit like 5 videos, post them to YouTube, get on my Formspring, which I haven't been on it forever,
Thank you.
and Tumblr, and all that good stuff.
Are you sure it's
And
good?
invite people to that cool, yeah, that. And invite people to that group, even though I don't know what that group is. The group you invited me to, the DJ one. I was like, what is that?
Okay, maybe it took a little longer than 10 minutes, but still.
11 minutes and 38 seconds.
Okay, let's give it 13 minutes then.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, there's where it goes. I'm like, we have an extra screw. I'm kind of worried now. Found it.
Yay.
Okay.
And then you pop the black thingy back on and it works. And it's nice and shiny.
Something like that. I'm just going to go ahead and reseat the video cable. Make sure it's all in the right spot.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
Well, there's a little cable that runs up to the screen.
Oh.
Yep. No one cares.
It's backwards. Yay.
Neat.
No, you don't, Kayla. I'm more surprised that I could even hear that. Oh, don't touch it, okay?
Look out. Gotta put it on just right.
No, don't touch it. I'll get it, okay? No, don't get it, okay?
Shepherd,
You have to do it a
stop
certain way.
touching it. Make it work. Okay.
And just double check, make sure there's no random seams. Like that one right there. And there. Okay.
Yay! It's fixed. Thank you very much.
And here's your new laptop, Beta.
Woo! Look how shiny it is. Oh, I'm so happy, even though it's dead. Hi, people of YouTube who are watching this. Hey.
So, if you guys ever need me to replace your laptop screen because you did something with it, I'm your man.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Look,
Bye.
it works.